Welcome back to our channel, Optimal Digital Delights. Stay with us till the end of the video. I have this video for you on the updates on Pacific Engagement Visa Subclass 192. This is a series of videos I have been posting on my YouTube channel to help Papua New Guineans as well as other Pacific islands to pursue this opportunity, which will eventually be an automatic permanent resident in Australia. So thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button. We'll get straight into the videos. Our other list of videos, I will leave all of them in the description below. Go click on the videos. We have step-by-step video on how to apply for the PEB ballot, as well as other information on the Pacific Engagement Visa. Now, a disclaimer on this video, this is exclusively personal research to make it available for Papua New Guineans. And those are the Pacific Islanders who are interested in the Pacific Engagement Visa. It is not sponsored by the Fed or Home Affairs of Australia. So let's go into this video. This video, I am letting you know that the second round of ballot selection draw would be absolutely beginning of next year. I will let you know on the date at the end of the video. So stick with us throughout this video. I will let you know the date, the second ballot draw. Congratulations to the first round of PV candidates who have been selected. I hope you are making your way down to Australia at the moment and transitioning into the new country and lifestyle down there. But those of us who are still underway, waiting for the second ballot, or sensitizing yourselves to get to know the PV process, stick with us. In this video, I will let you know of everything about Pacific Engagement Visa. So let's get to this video. How do you know you apply for the Pacific Engagement Visa? So after you are selected from the ballot, and there's been time going for you to apply for the Pacific Engagement Visa, the notification will be sent to your letter, through your notification letter, or your email account. You can check the status of your ballot draw, and you will see if you are successful to apply. Now make sure to apply for this PEV with all your documentation in place before the deadline that is specified on your notification letter or on your email account status. Okay, so what happens? A time frame of 3 to 4 months, 6 months might be less for you to compile all of these documents that are required by PEV application. So you can always write to the PEV, Pacific Engagement Support Team, and ask them to extend your application process. Other documents that you have not compiled, you can always provide them later. Now I know from this research and PEV information, a grace period of 28 days is given if you have not, if you are not able to submit all those PEV requirements. But the requirements that you should have on hand should include your passport, as well as the passport of your dependents. The requirements such as the job offer, CV, IELTS requirements. You can always submit those later, and be mindful the grace period is only 28 days. It's like a month, so do the right thing and get your documents in order. So the message is that if you are not able to submit all your documentation on the deadline, then you can ask for an extension of 28 days. So this is your takeaway for this. And then some requirements might, some other requirements will require you to submit IELTS, English Learner's Test, or PTE test. Certain job requirements need you to speak a certain level of language, English, so you have to submit those as well. You have to pay this your personal costs. You have to cover by yourself to be eligible to apply for a certain job in Australia. Okay, so this is what I've said, the IELTS requirements or the PT requirements you have to cover by yourself in order to qualify for a job opportunity in Australia. Now be mindful as well, the job must be permanent and contract. You must not get a casual job and apply for Pacific Engagement Visa. That will be automatically rejected. So always get a permanent job offer and before you apply for PBE. And mindful, there's a couple of tips here. Always tailor your CV to the industry or job you're working in. Include things like necessary contact details like phone numbers, your driver's license, your COVID vaccine card, your IELTS requirement, things like that, that will give you bonuses when employees are looking at your CV. Okay, very basic information, but those ones that they can pick your CV out of the pack. Okay, so that's basically it. Now let's see, what's the date for the second round of ballot draw? So second round of ballot draw is on the 6th of January 2025. So the next round of draw is on 6th January 2025 again. Those of us who are not yet selected and are still hoping to get selected, watch your email account as well as your notification status on the email. See if your name pops up on the 6th of January 2025. Now for Papua New Guineans, we have 1,330 places. And it does come down to less than that. So if you are lucky, make sure to have all your documents ready. Like I said, your passport, your police clearance, your IELTS certificates, your COVID vaccine cards, all those requirements that you can have now in place. So when the time comes, you can always go online and apply for the Pacific Engagement Visa without much hassle. But if you can't keep all of these documents or compile them on time, you're always given the 28 grace period to compile all these documents and secure a job in Australia. Thanks again for watching this channel. We hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. We have a lot of videos for you on PB applications, PB online application, tuning application, online courses, how to apply for this. I'll keep the link of these videos in the description below. Don't forget to go and click on the link and watch a video of your choice. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one of videos with optimal digital guides. Bye for now.